Today we will discuss C++. So basically C++ is one of the object oriented programming language. In C++ what we get that is totally different in respect to C. C is basically the procedure oriented programming language, whereas C++ is totally object oriented programming language. In C, the program code, we started from variable declaration, then we have started object, then we have started operator, decision making statement, if else, switch case, then we move to for loop, while loop, then we move to array, and lastly we have read, structure, pointer and file handling. But the C++ is mainly started from the similar concept of variable, data types, as well as we have our conditional statement like if else, switch case, and also we having loops, that means for loop, while loop, do while loop, all we have in C++. But the main difference is that in C we don't have the concept of class and object, but C++ we having the concept of class and object. So C++ is basically known as one of the object oriented programming language similar to Python and Java, but Python and Java are more updated rather than the C, but rather than the C++, but C++ is not so updated object oriented programming, but they are having the concept of object and class. So we will discuss few features of object oriented programming. Those features are OOP. OOP stands for object oriented programming features. What are the features of OOP? The first features of OOP is inheritance, second is polymorphism, third is abstraction, four is data handling, five is encapsulations. So those features already we have discussed in our theory classes, but today we will see some programs on the object oriented features. The first day we will learn how to create the class and object concept in C++. So let's see how to create class and object. So class and object in C++. So we are taking the header file, that is has include iostream.h. So we know the header for the C++ is iostream. This is simple input output and output header. Okay, now simple input and output header, that is iostream.h. Similar like C, we having the header file that is has include stdio.h and has include conio.h. So iostream is similar header like stdio.h. Okay, now we are starting the main function. So before starting the main, we will do creation of some class. So how to create class? Like class student, we having a class student, and student class is starting with two curly braces. Then we have started the access specifier, that is public. In public we are taking string char name equals to 20. Student having the name in character data type, the size is 20, and we having the integer roll. So roll should be in integer, okay, and double marks. So marks should be double, okay, clear. So this is the student data type, student class, and student class having two objects specially like s1 and s2. Now we are giving a semicolon ending of the class. Now we are starting int main. So main is started. Now we have started the now we have to take the variables. So how to take the variables? Now we have to display the message. See out, enter first student name, first student name. So now, so to take input we have to use C in here, and that will be s1 dot name, the s1 dot name. Why we are taking s1 dot name? Because name is the variable of student is the s1. Okay, this is the object and class concept in C++. So s1 is nothing but the object of student class, s2 is nothing but the object of the student class. Clear? This is similar like to declaring structure. Okay, then what we need to do, see out, enter roll of first student, then we have to see in h1 dot roll, then see out, enter the marks of student, first student. It will be like that, C in s1 dot marks. Now see out, display details, see out, name of student 1, s1 dot name, roll of student 1, s1 dot roll, roll of student 2, sorry, marks of student 1, s1 dot marks. Okay, then you have to give return 0, and we are taking only one class here, and just want to save this. Student dot cpp should be the extension, not C. cpp stands for C++. Okay, don't see there is a problem in deep C++. That's why I'm just running that similar code in our online compiler. Run it, and here also compilation terminated, because there are no support of syntax like conio.h, which we have used in our turbo C++ compiler, and also there is no support of CLRS here, and also not support of getch. Now it is run successfully. Okay, iostream.h header is not understandable. Okay, then what we need to do, as include iostream we have to write, and now we have to write using namespace std. Now that code will run, I hope so. Yes, enter student name, and the student name would be Shokita, roll number 195. Yes, clear? All of you understand?